In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add background music to a Canva presentation. I'll also give you a couple of pointers and tips on how to do this and get the best result. So once you're on Canva, go and either create a new presentation or find the presentation you want to add the music to. So I'm going to use this example presentation. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go into the presentation editor, and here we can edit the presentation. Now from here, we have a couple of options. Now what I would do is I would personally find a music track that you like that you can upload to Canva. To do that, and if you want to do this with the rights to the music, I would Google royalty-free music. Then you can go to pretty much any of these. I like Pixabay, and then you can either search for music or you can just browse their catalog. So I'm going to download this vlog music. You can preview it as well, but for the sake of the video, we'll just download it. So we'll download this and it will obviously go to the downloads. Now, once you've got that downloaded, head back to Canva, go uploads, then go upload files, and then you can go ahead and find the music here. So here is the MP3 file. We can click open. That will then upload this file and you'll find it in the audio section on Canva. You can use this audio file on all projects now. You just want to drag it on and drag it to the timeline. Now you can customize which part of the song and the music you want to start here. So you can drag this out and you can move this around. Now, once you're happy with it, what I would do is right click on the track, would go then to volume, and I'd bring the volume down a little bit, otherwise it's going to be too loud. But then you can just see if it works. So we'll go present in the top right hand corner, we'll then click present. And there you go, the music was playing, I hope you could hear it, but that's all you do. I hope that helped.